Hello, I am Manoj Pal Reddy and I will be presenting my equity research analysis for Honda. Honda has its presence in these 5 industries. In 2012, the motorcycle business had a 17% share in the business of Honda. Automobile industry had a 73% share and power equipment had a 3.5% share and financial services share is 6.5%. Honda Jet completed its first test flight and it's on its way to obtain the certification from Federal Aviation Administration. The power products business has shown a steady fall in net sales from 2008 from 421.1 yen to 277.1 yen, whereas the financial services industry did not show much change in sales for Honda from 2008, which is around 560 yen. Since motorcycle and automobile industries affect Honda the most because of its huge share in its business, I will discuss about them in detail. The automobile industry has seen a steady growth except in 2008-2009. The decline can be attributed to the global economic crisis and has soon recovered but with a moderate growth. The biggest markets for automobiles are South Korea, Japan, India, China and USA. In Japan, Honda holds a 55% share in the market and a 4.75% share in the world. Its huge competition is from General Motors, Volkswagen and Toyota. Honda's net sales dropped by 11% due to earthquake in Japan and floods in Thailand, which led to production shutdowns. The biggest market for motorcycles are in India and China. With 55 million units sold in 2012 around the world, 26 million are from India and China. In China, there are around 50 companies in this sector offering cheap, less quality motorcycles. Companies hold single-digit shares in the market. In India, Honda holds a 20% share while Hero holds 46% in the market, which is its major competitor. And Honda is trying to take on the market by providing fuel-efficient vehicles. It also established an R&D center in India and is aiming to beat Hero by 2016. Its market share has been steadily increasing since 2010. Honda is a market leader in the world. The growing markets for motorcycles are Africa and Latin America, and Honda is facing huge competition from Yamaha, Bajaj and Hero in those nations. Honda focuses on R&D and dedicates 5% of its revenues to R&D, which aims at providing fuel-efficient vehicles. Honda has no appealing low-end models in cars, which constitute a major share of the automobile business. Honda's manufacturing plants have a lack of capacity to cater to the demand in these developing nations. Sometimes there's a waiting period of up to 8 months, which is affecting its sales. It faces heavy competition from General Motors, Volkswagen, Toyota and Nissan and ranks 7th when it comes to market share. The company's profit margin, return on equity and turnover ratios are all on par with the market or even better. P/S ratio is 0.65 in 2011 as compared to the industry average of 0.48. P/S ratio in 2012 is 0.52, which is still higher than the industry average. Considering the stock prices of the last 5 years, the current stock price is around the highest the company has ever achieved since 2008. The stock can be valued at around 2300 yen considering dividend discount model and a stable growth rate of 4% for the profits of Honda. The present value of the stock is overpriced and around the highest the stock has ever achieved in the last 5 years. Since the price is very high and it's almost the highest the company has ever achieved since last 5 years, and the P/S ratio is also above the industry average, I would recommend selling the stock. Thank you.